Hello. Okay, today I'm just going to work a little bit more on the dialogue system, which I haven't touched in a while. But I'm getting to the point where I need a lot more flexibility with more characters on the way and more scripted events. So what we're gonna do today is currently I have just a pretty bare bones dialogue. I have like text effects which are cool, but like the windows just slapped in the middle of the screen for now. So we're gonna actually like position it nicely on the bottom and add some character profiles that like I don't have finished art yet, but to actually have an image of the characters talking on either side, because that will look really nice. And then we'll do some nice little animations for whoever's currently talking and overlap the window a little bit. Probably have like a name label, but I'm kind of just winging it right now a little bit. I just have a general idea. So yeah, here's just a placeholder shadow. This is template. I'm just gonna recolor it to be other characters. So we'll get like a nice blue character here. Template blue. And we'll have let's do a green. And we'll have an extra green character. So that'll give me enough to play with. Position the microphone so it's in front of my face but not the keyboard. It's not working. Okay, so I really haven't even looked at the dialogue system in a while, so hopefully it goes smoothly here. So we have our dialogue kind of manager class here. Handles all the text effects. Voice window, we don't want to worry about for now. Here's our manager, that's just basic stuff though. Okay, that's a little something else, don't need that. First thing I want. So it looks like. Create the dialog window. So is that what's going on? I never set a position at all. Now it's just testing text effects. That's just 0. So this is what we need to shift. I think I'm just gonna make it So this has good sizing code based on the text. I'll reuse this for when I create the actual, like, bubbles. Text bubbles. That's used only once, so that's good for these. So it reuses the window. So I need a new rename this to prepare string. Kind of weird, but this will work. We'll rename that to prepare string and resize window. And then we'll make another just prepare string method. That parses all of those text effects. Let's see. It's so intermingled there. Let's rename that back to just prepare string and window, and then we're gonna add a cutscene boolean. Because I just want to set window size for cutscenes. So it looks like this is giving it an arbitrary size and then setting the string, updating the canvas, and then using that to actually measure it. And then I need, in order to get the line by line text working, I add new lines manually. I still need all of that. I think do the cutscene, we'll do some stuff. Otherwise, we do all that. I think we just want to manually. Set the size first. Say let's say the width of the window's 80% of the screen for now. Tweak that later. And then the height is gonna be then we set the text bit inside of it, which would be width minus adding horizontal times 2. I think that should be alright. So we need a there we go. So I need a new variable on my dialog nodes to tell them. Should actually should the cutscene variable be on the individual dialog windows? I feel like for most, if not all the time, it'll be like the entire scene. So in that case, it would make more sense to put the variable on the dialogue scene. I'm trying to think if there. It would be interesting to have cutscenes where you'd have your standard cutscene window, but then through that dialogue, it also handles some like secondary dialogue off the background. Somebody yells something or something. That's not a dialogue window, so I think yeah, I'm gonna put it on each individual window. That will provide more flexibility. I'll just have to remember to check it whenever it is. So let's add cutscene. That's false by default. Make this a little bigger because probably kind of tiny on the stream. that. It's added here so we can just check our little cutscene boxes. And let's see what that does. Probably buggy. Probably nothing because I haven't done anything with it yet. Need to. When I set new node here, I need to check the cutscene variable at this point. So I think I just pass it in there. Dialog node.cutscene. Alright, let's see what happens with that. It's definitely bigger. It just freezes. Didn't think I made enough changes to break it completely. Set size already sets the size delta. So I don't need to do that. I don't think that was my bug though. Don't think I need to call that. Do I? No, because I just erase it there. Strange. I barely made any changes. How is that affecting all of that? Is that just because I wasn't... I think I do need to set that because this still... I need to set this... Okay, so this will set the window size, which also sets the text rectangle size. Then... I do need to actually set the text. I think I did. I do need that because of this code, which corrects my line breaks. Should be good, should be good. Should be better. Might not be good. Yeah, okay. So let's make both of those cutscenes now. Alright, good. Let's position it better now. Don't think I like position the window at all. So we'll probably do it here. Do if the node is a cutscene. If the node is a cutscene, we will place the window. That's the bottom. Need to check. Thinking it's centered. Back of the window. Yeah, I don't think it's centered. So we would do half the camera width. And then like a little bit off from the bottom. Half the window height. Is that not a public? Nope. Is now. Half the height. Z is still 0, I believe. Else, we'll do something else later on another day with the text bubbles. But for now, we'll just put that 0. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Okay. Very weird that they're slightly different. Is this... I need to name these. We set up 0 position here. When is this called? As soon as it's initially created, that's fine. It's initialized. Text that waves. This is my one slightly taller because I correct it when there's wavy text. Which is fine. It's intended. I'm still confused on... Oh, I guess the whole layer is already centered. So this needs to be 0. I guess it's... Let's see what this does. It's a little better. It's still way too high though. So let me name. I gotta name these. Dialog. Window. Alright, this should help out. So we have our labels now. Layer, which is just centered right in the middle of the map. So this needs to be... So let's test out how high it is off the ground. Where's this at? I mean, 0 is where? Is that dead center, or is it like something's weird? Something weird is going on now. Okay, that is dead center. So from dead center, we'd want more than half the height. But not really. We'd want to move it up. Plus half the height. Is that it? There it is. Okay, yeah. That is where I want it. What's up, Fail Positive? Thanks for dropping by. creating some extra features for the dialogue today. So great, that is positioned correctly. So I can add the little templates here. Which I save to dialogue profiles. Okay. So here's where we're gonna add some new stuff. For every dialogue node, I'm gonna need a variable for the character who's speaking and another variable for like a specific ID of emotion that they're gonna be showing. And then I'll have the system dictate how to show that, how to animate those characters in it. So I need to add to my dialogue node those variables, which I guess will just be enums would limit mistakes. They'd just be big. Probably be fine. Character profile. We got test templates, which is black. We have black, blue, and green. Do that for now. Character expression. Let's see, is this how I want to do this? The problem with this is if a certain character doesn't have a certain expression, they just have to fall back to a default. They all use the same enum. Because they'll all have their own unique expressions as well. No, I'm not going to be handling the tunes myself this game. So I'm still looking for a music composer, or multiple, potentially. Handled my own tunes on the last game, and it was fun, but it was exhausting, so gonna get some help this round. Yeah, I'm gonna use an enum for expression just to catch typos. Oh, can't be default. Yeah, for this game, I'm primarily focused on design and programming. And then I'll do any type of fill in for where it's needed on art and sound and music and writing. But I'll have artists and I'll have music composers, I'll have writers. So yeah, if you know an interested music composer who wants to work on an action RPG, emails in the bottom of the stream. Okay. That's good. Let me add those now to here. We're gonna say this is dialog node. So we need a file. Let's name it character. Expression. So that should update this. So yeah, we'll have black template talking to blue as a test. So we do this. This will be like the character talking. Saying hello there, NPC. Why is this? I hate that. What the hell? Not like that. Alright, and then the NPC will just be the blue. And they don't like you, so they'll just say go away. So the plan is to have this pop up in the bottom left, and then this come in on the right as a conversation. I'll add another one as well. So go back to black. It automatically corrects my underscore. Alright. So now, I guess, dialogue. Pull up my notes. Wrote down a few notes on this. We're gonna have the profiles. As if the characters are talking to one another. So we need another variable that will manually set the position on left or right. So like, say you have every member of your party, like 2 or 3 people talking to a single NPC, it would look the best to have all of your party members like on the left side and just the NPC on the right. So we'll add a variable for left and right, including an auto setting, which will usually be the case, which will just be the NPC you're talking to says the first thing, so they'll be on the right. Which I wrote my notes wrong. I think that's a good plan. At some point, it might be best to cache the profile images especially if they're large. Beyond some basic caching, but I think for now, I'm just gonna set it up so that they're created as soon as they're first used, and then they'll be reused for the duration of the dialogue. But when there's new dialogue, then they'll be recreated. If that causes problems down the line, I'll change it. Sorry, technical difficulties. Test. Sorry, technical difficulties. Test. I don't know what OBS is doing today. I don't know what OBS is doing today. So stupid. I don't know what OBS is doing today. Test 1, 2, 3. Up. So stupid. Like the volume display is not accurate to what it is. Test 1, 2, 3. Up. Stupid. Like the volume display is not accurate to what it is. Test 1, 2, 3. Alright, I think we're good. I mean, it looks good. Everything looks good here. But let me check it again. Let me check it again. Alright, that's fine. Bah. Alright. List of sprites. This is the character profiles, and we're just gonna like cache them in a list so we can reuse them as needed. Character profiles. Because that should. Does my like personal volume not affect the output volume? Is that what's going on here? Like personal volume not How does this sound? The output volume? Is that what's going on here? Like personal volume. How does this sound? How does this sound? Alright, maybe it's fine. It's making me go crazy. Alright. I think we're good. Just have to trust it. It's not been trustworthy in the past, but alright. Character profiles is a new list of the sprites we need. I'm just gonna keep them in a list and cache them. I think what I'm going to do, get a little funky here and create a dictionary of dictionaries. Is that smart? They're gonna be small dictionaries. And it's gonna be a character profile with the value of dictionary character expression with the value sprites. I can loop through that on its own when I destroy them. So I just need the dictionaries themselves, I think. They're references, right? So this will be the character profiles. Cached character profiles. So when we create a new node, if it's a cutscene, so the only time we'll use the profiles, we will trying to think ahead on what references I need to the left and right profiles. Because there could be a lot of characters, potentially. And I need a variable on the profiles themselves to say if they're left or right. So I guess I can just make it a class for the profiles. I think that would be smart. It's gonna be the same name as the enum character profile. This is gonna give a reference to the character profile class. There we go. was under the impression, I don't know if OBS updated or not at some point, but it used to be my volume control controlled OBS too, but it's not doing that anymore. It's like these louder songs I can't adjust on the fly like I used to, which is really annoying. Thank you for the follow, Be All Positive, by the way. I appreciate it. I do have to test this though. So, I'm getting really confused here. Okay, this is... This is... Yeah, it does it. Unless there's an audio delay. Yeah, it does it. Unless there's an audio delay. Yeah, it does it. There's not though. OBS be changing stuff. Yeah, it does it. There's not. That's OBS be really, changing stuff. Really annoying. Changing stuff. Really annoying. Alright, yeah, I'll just keep an eye on it. I just need to go through my playlist at some point and normalize the audio levels. Just keep an eye on it. Sorry, Echo. Yeah, there had to have been an update at some point because it used to not act like that. I used to be able to control it. Alright, we're good. So we have our cached character profiles. I need to keep a reference for the ones on the left and the ones on the right and have them swap Z order positions as needed for when they're talking. I think first I need to take the I need to add this variable. I need to add a position variable for each node. It's also going to be an enum. 2. Position. It's going to be auto, left or right. Position. We'll do our auto first. Just gonna take. Even though this shouldn't be auto, actually. We'll do auto later. It's because this is our character talking on the left, and the NPCs on the right, and the character on the left. I think after they're already created and assigned, it's honestly just gonna ignore it from then on. Whenever the same character is talking. That doesn't actually matter. Test that out as well. So we have a profile position. Create sprite. Don't think there might be special cases where I move the profiles in some way or like completely off screen. But I don't even think I'll need like separate references to all of them, because like whenever the first person's talking, it'll just, I need a reference to the current one or the last person, so I can move them back aside out of the way. You know what? I'm going to keep a list. I'm going to two lists. Character profiles. We'll have left profiles. And we'll have right profiles. And the list will keep the order that they appear in. So like, say we have 3 characters talking on the left. If like 2 of them are primarily doing most of the talking, the third one's going to be all the way in the back the whole time. And if the third one ever talks, it'll like pop forward to the front. Their order will reflect the most recent speaker, I think is what I want to do. So we need a character profile, which will have a it'll be a game object with just a sprite on it. Because I'm using the word character elsewhere for data. Speaker profile. So we need a name and an expression. I think I'm just going to manually set up all the hats, I think. It's going to be... Let's see, I have a sprite. Tools and sprite. Not nucleus. Sprite and okay, so sprite. This is a UI dialog. Black, is that what we got? Dialog profiles template blue, template green. Initialize the sprite, and then we just want to say sprite parent is this position. Keep it at the bottom of the screen. We'll offset sprite to be half the height. I think that should be good. That, so we'll have a row of profiles on the bottom edge of the screen. That creates our game object with the sprite on it, and then we need to add the property. See, I already had a similar file position. can reuse it and not use auto, but that might be weird. Speaker position. That's fine. Just have to name it something else weird, and that might be weirder. So, speaker position. Assign our position variable. So we have our profile class dialog. This is going to be character. What is that? Speaker profile. Those are all other stuff, which is fine. I just want to rename this now to hashed speaker profiles. We're good, we're good, we're good. Speaker profile for this speaker. I think we'll just keep it. Can't think ahead enough. Just keep it a local variable here for now. Because first we want to check to see if it exists first. If it already exists in the cache, I'm just gonna get it. Else, I'm gonna create it. Do a nice detailed name there. Speaker profile. So that will create the speaker profile object, which we then need to call the create on. Pass in all the dialog variables. So we have the speaker name, we have the speaker expression. And the speaker position. To set up here. Need to think about the auto positioning. I'm gonna keep track of that. I think I'm just going to let's do this. Let's do switch on position. Speaker position. Fill in these. Right and left when they're set explicitly. Then auto will be, it will favor the right first because it's for just most standard encounters. When you talk to somebody, they'll talk, the NPC will talk first. They'll appear on the right and then your characters will appear on the left. So auto, we check to see if right profiles count 0, then we set it on the right and add it to right. else. We put it on the left. Pretty basic, I think. List, and then at the very end, this is when we're creating them. This needs another credit bracket. Very end, we add on to the dictionary cache. So we need to do if it contains a dictionary for the name already. Your name. Then that dictionary already exists, so we do speak name, add the new expression, the profile we just created. Otherwise, we have to create the dictionary first. So I might reorganize this a sec. To add dictionary for the name. New empty dictionary. So let's just do this. If the secondary dictionary doesn't exist, we create it, and then at this point it always exists. We just created it if it didn't already, and then we'll add the expression. I believe that should be good. What is going on? What happened? What happened? Jeez. Alright. So that creates the profiles if needed. list. Okay, we're good. What we're gonna do, we're not going to add these to the left and right lists. Gotta keep in mind that these cached speaker profiles are just a cache of stuff. So after we have our profile, whether we found it from the cache or we just created it, we're gonna now bring profile to front. This is going to handle all of our stuff. So first we're going to do profile dots. Position. On the left. We're going to go through every left profile. And if the left profile see, these are profiles. I gotta add the name as well to here. Don't think I actually need to add the expression. I think I do. So, gotta go through every left profile, and if the speaker name the same as this new profile speaker name. Then we're going to grab that profile and bring it forward. Boolean already exists. False. Up here, because I'll use it for the right as well. It already exists. True. Break inside there. Doesn't already exist, and add it and move it. So I think what we're going to do, I'm going to use the list kind of like a stack. If it already exists, we're actually going to profiles move profile. I hope that doesn't, like, it shouldn't matter because it just breaks immediately afterward. Editing the list in the for loop. So we're going to remove it, and then now no matter what, if it was there, we just removed it. If it wasn't, it's as if it was there and removed. So now we add it back. And that will correct our order of the list. Left profiles, add it. And then we're gonna tween all of the profiles. We'll set, do the in the positions, maybe add like a darkening effect on those who aren't speaking. That would be nice. We'll do the same here, else they gotta be on the right. Right profiles. Right profiles. Name. Bringing everything on the right. doing it that way, we don't need this already exists. Here I want to set the Z profile. You know what, I need to position anyway, so I'll go ahead and write this. I'm writing so much code before I can test it, but it'll be fine. So now that will correct the order of the list of profiles. Now let's do int I is left profiles dot go backwards. And add a new tween. New tween position, tween local position. Like real quick. Make a constant for that. Where's my other bracket? Whatever. So between the local position for the tween time. The game object is the profile game object. Motion type is ease out. Quadratic. And the vector 3 will be. See, they're not even added yet. They want to be added to the dialog layer. Simpler to keep a variable. Y will be negative half the camera height. To put it on the bottom edge because the sprite is offset upwards. And then the Z. I need to just copy it. Don't need to actually copy it. I need to do a little more than that. Let's do this. Float new Z. Is profile equals profiles. It's equal, then we put it at like -1. I'm gonna have to change those numbers, I think, later. See what the box is at. Otherwise, 0. I want the Z to immediately. I don't want the Z to tween. That would be. Well, I don't know. It might look alright. Nah, Z should probably be instant. So say left. Set the new Z here. Got that. Then we'll add the tween. We'll keep the same Z. And that adjusts the X ordering. Actually, shouldn't be 0, it should be in order with the highest index would be the least Z. So it would be negative. Like this would be like 1, and then otherwise we do positive count minus I. I think that's right. Got so much testing to do here. Then I'll tween it. So that should set the correct position and Z. Do the same. Right. That. Set right profiles. Yep. Bring profile to front. Might do something. I need to actually, when I add, let's see, cached. Here I made a mistake. The speaker name exists. We're going to remove the one that's already in the list because that might be a different expression. Same with the right. Then we add the new expression in its place and the new position. First I want to set the new one so we can set the parent here. Which is we're going to do if the character already exists within the profile list, I'm going to copy the location. Local position is the left profile's eye. Position. Copy that right. Otherwise, just set it right. Assume it's not, and then that'll override it if it's the speaker already exists. But we'll assume it's new here and set the local position to all the way off screen. Should be negative. Minus profile. Let's add a public reference to the sprite. Y is negative half the height. Z gets set later. And if it's on the right, positive half the width plus the width. Then that should position it all correctly before the tween and then after the tween. Let's see this one. If it exists, we're gonna remove it and hide it, I think. There's a lot of stuff we need to do. So when we remove, set active to false, and then at the end, True. Not cleaning up anything. Alright, how many bugs? How many attempts is this gonna take before it does something? That's the question. Okay, so nothing showed up at the beginning. Should show up at the beginning there. And then another bug. We'll go in order. So why is nothing there? Dialog layer. Here it is. It's way offset. And it was in 4K, so I gotta adjust that. The Y is correct. Position, it should not be auto here though. Left, and I gotta flip it to wonder if it moves at all. Does move. Okay, yeah, okay. Got something going on. Moved all the way over there to positive because it's based on the center. Oh yeah, the current X is going to be the left edge of the screen plus that. Right, it's going to be the right edge minus that. And then current X for the lefts. Gonna minus equals a thing. Current X for the right, it's gonna plus equals. Alright, we also need here, actually in profile itself, the sprite. Set object scale to UI scale. And then that's gonna make it put it higher up, I think. Let me just confirm. So we want right. Times the object scale. Now. And then, okay, so. Item with the same key has already been added. Because I didn't. Oh, that just reset when I did stuff. Okay. And then, yeah, so there's still a bug. Why is it? Am I always adding a new profile there? I should always still be in the here, I think. Yeah. This should be there. That's all that needed. I think that should be good. Alright, I can flip these. When we create the profile, that'll be in here. We'll do if speaker position is on the right. Would it be flip? Set flip. It's flipped. Go away. And then this basically shouldn't do anything for the third one because that profile's already there. So what's going on here? That doesn't help. Unity, it doesn't help. That doesn't help either. Something's not saved. Doesn't help. Does not help. Index out of range. I should tell me where, because there's 4 different loops in there. I don't know why it didn't show it there. That's the problem though. When we remove, set it false before I move it. Would have been helpful to show me that line number. Okay, so it retwings, which is kinda unexpected. Shouldn't move at all. All the way from off, as if it's a new. Oh, but there's still only two. I guess it does default to off, but here it should. Right here, set the position to the same thing. I'm not checking to see if the object is identical before. So after we go through and check to see if it already exists, then only if it doesn't already exist, then we set the position to off screen. Because we're introducing a new character. So same thing here. Close my blinds because the sun's in my face. That should be good. looks good. I do want to... So we got the profile, Z is -1, which is good because that's at 0. But then when the other one talks, I want to move these behind. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, I need to adjust their position. I need to adjust window and font size too. And then have them fade away at the end as well. And then adjust the text padding to be in the middle. Let's do this. Add a cutscene, horizontal padding. It's gonna be much greater. No idea what the number will be yet. Do that. Let's see how that looks. add a little bit more padding, but also shrink the window to 7. That'll probably be less as well. Adjust the text size. Alright, let's test a few new things here. Where am I going? Where am I going? So, hello, go away. Let's add... This will be a new character that comes in from the left. Alright, so new character is just gonna say a whole bunch of text. Alright, that will introduce a green, so we're brand new territory here. Alright, yep, that reached 4 lines. But the green did not tween in, and it just covered up black. Should be a brand new speaker. So why does black gets disabled? It shouldn't be disabled. Black should just like move back and behind green like that. No, that shouldn't test. The speaker names are different. What's going on here? Is that not being set? Name. It's not. Speaker name is name. Dynamic expression. It's just a sprite. That's set. Alright. Okay, so green comes in. Black does not move. I want black to move. Left profiles, speaker name, and X. So that's correct. Black did not actually move. Why? It corrects all the Z's. That shouldn't... I think that would matter. That's for the right profiles anyway. Doesn't make any sense. It's right there. It's being set. I don't know what else to do. That's you set the X. Set a new tween, sets X. That's it. That's literally it. Like, something broken with the tween? Why? I don't know how to check this. It's straightforward. It's super straightforward. And it's just not working. There's like nothing. I don't know what to check. I don't know what to check. Set the tween right here. Profile. Alright. It's just setting out on the profile. Alright, finally. Jeez. I knew nothing was wrong with my tween. I've never had problems with that for like literally years. There we go. When they're not identical shapes, it'll look better. So, like green comes in and then that. Yeah, I want to check. Make text size bigger for the cutscene. Dialog window. Let's see where is it set? Here. Dialog. Okay, dialog. That's what I wanted. Dialog bubble. I'll also do dialog cutscene. Standard size. I don't know how big. 56. Let's see how that works. Window. Awake. Plenty of numbers to adjust here. Alright, line spacing is too high. Let's do... what does one look like? Not bad. We have too many lines. I need to decide. I only want 4 lines. Like, I could add like a lot of extra code to like duplicate a text box if it goes over 4 lines so it still looks good, but honestly, like, I would want to change it anyway, so I think I'm just gonna let it overflow and then fix it as it happens. Maybe 3 lines would look better. Hold on. Let's maximize it here. See what 3 lines would look like. I mean, that's a decent amount. I'm gonna make the height a little bit less. Still undecided on 3 lines or 4 though. Solarin, what's up? I do have I have been building a sick retro playlist over the years. Specifically for streaming. I used to use YouTube playlists, but then those videos get randomly taken down, you know, so like I not legitimately, but downloaded the actual files onto my hard drive so they cannot be removed. So I'm quite proud of my sick retro playlist. I do want 4 lines. I think I'm I don't know, I can always change it later. So that's gonna need the font size to be a tiny bit smaller. Yeah, I haven't heard of him. I'll have to look him up. But yeah, it's been a lot of work in the making. Behind the scenes. I need to go through, and the problem I have now is the volumes aren't normalized throughout, so occasionally I'll get like a loud song and then I have to adjust stuff on the fly, and I need to take some time and fix that at some point. Alright, I'm gonna make the text size a tiny bit smaller and the window size a tiny bit bigger. Oh really? I need to look around more. I don't really watch a whole lot of other dev streams. I'm loving C# with Unity though. Okay, that's really close. Let's see, do I make the window taller? I think so. I don't think I want to make the text smaller than that. And then I'll adjust this. Need to adjust that too. Let's see where that at. Dialog mode. Text area. Midlines maximums. Delete it all, don't delete it. Okay, we're good. Yeah, that gives me more space. I originally taught myself a lot of programming in like high school and made my first commercial game, The Enchanted Cave. And then I went to college and studied computer science at some point. I was actually graphic design major for the first 2 years. Then switched to computer science and I mean, learned a little bit more, but like most of my game dev stuff is self-taught. Honestly, like the computer science course was like really like generic stuff, not really game related, so like I don't use a lot of the stuff I learned and I've forgotten a lot of it. There's so many like quality tutorials for game development online. Yeah, I started when I was in high school and I was just, I used a RPG Maker for a while just as a hobby. And then I got into scripting a little bit. I was like, I'm gonna just mess around with this a little bit. And like I picked it up quickly and like I thought I would hate it at first, but it turned out I really liked it. And it's like pretty crazy how much, like, once you learn just the basics of like loops and functions, like what that unlocks for you to be able to do. So I was like, this is great. So I made a Flash game. I need window tiny bit bigger, tiny bit bigger. Yeah, are you a programmer, Sloan? Yeah, I got started in the golden age of Flash games. Back when they were super awesome. It was a good time. Then mobile games came and killed them all. Unfortunate. Alright, this looks pretty good. I'll change the window at some point. Like, there's pretty much all the dialogue stuff's placeholder. Change the window graphics and probably font as well. I want to add more characters. Oops. Only school projects, gotcha. Visual Basic. Yeah. I need some new dudes. If only like finished art was this easy. As placeholder art. Make a purple guy. Here, we'll make this guy special. We'll make a gradient guy. Make a rainbow guy. So we got purple and rainbow to add. Let's see if my system works. Mainly web, gotcha. Yeah, I've never really touched web a whole lot. I know just enough to like manage my own website, and that's it. Which is WordPress based. But pretty much purely game dev. Oh man, yeah. I could see how that would be a bit of a soul-draining job. Yeah, fortunately I've, like, to an extent, like, my job out of college was being told what to do and it wasn't always fun. But they did do some games, which was cool, but I also wasn't making the decisions of what went in the games, which is not cool. So decided that I didn't like being told what to do, and when it comes to making games and making decisions that are dumb, so I was like, I'm gonna do my own thing. And it's been great. Electrician now? Alright, gotcha. Nice. Probably a little more change of scenery than sitting at a computer all day, sure. I need this. So green's gonna say a bunch of stuff, and then I need to add purple and rainbow. My most successful game is the Enchanted Cave 2. Just done pretty well. It's not like super well known, but like it's a fun roguelike. So like I've had like I have success with it on mobile and PC to a certain extent, so there's cool. If not daily or hourly differences, it's weekly or monthly. Yeah, new challenges and places. Yeah, that's always important. I mean, I sit at my computer, but I'm at least at home, so I can make all my own decisions and when I work and what I'm working on, how long I work. Right, so we got these guys. We're gonna have Rainbow come in on the right now. And let's see what kind of effects I have. Demon, I'll just do, yeah, we'll do demon. Demon Rainbow guy is just gonna be kind of crazy. So we'll test that out. He should adjust the blue guy out of the way. And then purple guy's gonna come in from the left and do the wavy effect. Alright, let's see what that does. Dang, what happened? I did not add a meter. Just this, can I automatically, there we go. Template, purple, template, rainbow, should be good. Alright, rainbow guy comes in. That's close. I need to the adjustment on the effects aren't there. I need to tween them out too. Like that's padded on the left correctly, but that's not. So let's see what's going on there. So it has to, the wave effect adjust. Adjust the height of the window normally for bubbles. Where is this called? From Dialog? Oh, really? That's funny. I'll have to look him up. Alright, I'll follow him. I'll check him out later. Gotcha. I mean, I don't know if I even ever used the wave in the cutscene, but probably just do. I'll keep a cutscene variable here. Here, do text container. Adjust the height. That sets the width. Here I want to do leave. Unless this is gonna break something. It shouldn't. If it's a cutscene. Do padding. Cutscene padding. Else normal padding. Remove that. Remove that. And then that should. Don't even have to do anything there because that will still. I think be fine. Be fine. Nice, that there. Okay, the padding's working. All right, final touch for today probably. Is have everybody have everything tween out at the end, because right now the box just disappears and the people don't. It just destroys the window. We're gonna do let's do this game. Been working like seriously on it since I started regular streams in like January, I guess, and then off and on last year, and then ideas wise, little bits and pieces of what's gonna be in it for many years, but hard to say like solid amount of work. I guess I could call it like full-time just this year mostly. Yeah, I'm in US. Let's see. I guess close. And dialog close. So instead that, I'm going to, it depends on, do I have a cutscene variable here? Because that was per window. We'll do window dot. So private. If the last window is a cutscene, then I'm gonna do our tween out stuff. Otherwise, we just destroy. It'll be like a bubble. I'll do those later. So tween. We want a new tween position. We'll add a separate constant here. Probably a little faster. Close tween time. We're gonna tween window object. Motion type. Is out. Window's gonna be full camera height. That'll probably be enough. I won't get too fancy with it. So I'll just drop the window, just drop off the bottom of the screen. On complete, it's gonna call destroy. Just need that once though. And then this, well, this will be in a loop. Each. So this will go, let's do game. Camera width. Negative width. Keep these positions the same. So that'll slide the left profiles off the left side of the screen. Hopefully. Do the same for the right and the right side. Positive. And then we'll destroy all. And then I want to create. Does this have like a clear? Yeah, there we go. Hopefully that doesn't mess up the internal dictionary as well. Should be fine. Alright, let's test this out. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah. See ya. Look good. Is that too fast? They don't need to move that much. They just need half, I guess. Because they're already half. I could move them down a little bit so they like angle off. I wonder if that would be good. Make that a little bit slower. And then this needs to be half width. Yeah, Final Fantasy VI has so many good tunes. That's not enough. Alright, this will be perfect. This will look so sweet once I get finished art for these characters. Nice. Alright. Sweet. That is all for today. That's a nice start. I'll do more scripted elements with like cutscene triggers where you step on like a area that will trigger a cutscene. Yeah, they do. I don't know how. I feel like it's not very popular of a category for people to browse, but they do. I think art's more popular. Sometimes I'll switch over to art if I'm doing something